Trevor had a bit of a, not a bad issue with his drone, but police were called and military came to check on and had to watch the videos and just said, you know, you just have to ask permission, make sure where the drone's going. But you know what? The thing I liked about the Navy guy was that he's like, you are very welcomed here. We are very welcomed and they are very happy we're here. You just have to be careful.
Lanka, car driving is very difficult.
I see that.
Tuk-tuk driving is very easy because the wall is open and we can see around. You know, before I am tuk-tuk driving.
Charging up our cell phone data. What we got going on here?
We're trying to work out how to bump up Linda's data. She's juiced her SIM card already.
Linda!
Hopefully we'll be able to work it out here.
Cool.
Woo! Spicy.
What's spicy?
We like spicy. Which one's spicy? That one?
This one's spicy,
Okay.
but good spice.
Good.
Let's give it a try. A little spicy here. Good.
Very good.
Savory. You must have hit a real spicy bit. I don't find it too bad.
Oh, delicious. Breakfast
Cheers.
was a success. Woo! Approve? You like? Yeah.
Ready to lift off. Don't give it a second thought. Pack up your bags and let's get the fuck out of here.
So I think the fort is this way.
So where are we at again, Linda?
We're at a really old Dutch fort in Mannar, Sri Lanka,
Yeah.
and Trevor had a bit of a, not a bad issue with his drone, but police were called and military came to check on and had to watch the videos and just said, you know, you just have to ask permission, make sure where the drone's going. So we're at the next fort. We just had a shopping, Shoppers Drug Mart experience. We were watched the whole time. And some military came around and kind of casually strolled past us, way out of their way.
Yeah, so what we're thinking here is that it's a slow day in Mannar. And I mean, it's kind of awesome. Like, good, they're checking up on some strange looking people, but the same token, it's like...
It's just strange to be in a place where, like in Canada, at least I don't think we're being watched all the time, but it's weird to have that presence, that military presence, where you are being, you're watched or aware of. And, well man, we stick out like a sore thumb.
Sure we do. But they're really nice. Everybody's been nice, but we know we're getting watched. It's like going to Shoppers Drug Mart after 9 p.m. That's what it's like right now in Mannar. But we feel safe. If anything, we feel safe, right?
Safer, yeah.
For sure.
Because if something happens to us,
they all know who we are.
But you know what? There isn't. The thing I liked about the Navy guy was that he's like, no, he's like, you are very welcomed here. Please enjoy.
But Linda, as I'm saying this, sorry to cut you off.
Yeah.
To my left, no, don't look so fast. To your hard right in that hut, the guy's watching us, and he went on the phone watching this film. So he probably thinks we're filming the soldiers, not the view.
Maybe we're just getting a bit paranoid now.
See him right now? Nope, he got on the phone and he's coming close to us.
Maybe he's calling his mother.
We'll find out.
When's dinner ready?
We'll find out if we have to delete this stuff or not, eh? This might not make it to post.
Oh, look at those guys.
The kitty pies. Anyways, I'm Milton. Let's get the hell out of here.
And just a quick note, we are very welcomed and they are very happy we're here. You just have to be careful.
Of what?
No, they just have to make sure everything's A-okay.
Yeah. We'll find Trevor. Da 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 dee. It's so hot. I'm ready to blow this pop stand. How about you?
You're gonna melt out of it.
Yeah. What if I feel like I'm... Yeah, let's melt on out of here. What do they got, Treps?
Their pub. Is that Iraq he put in our drinks? Oh, what was it?
Sweet tea.
Okay, I
I
was like,
like butter.
is this a pub?
No. But we have now freedom, but not much.
Yeah. I got another delicious juice made
This and
with
3 drinks.
jalapenos.
300
Yum. Yum.
That's 100 rupees per drink.
Yes.
Thank you. Welcome.
Thank you so much.
Did you not get one?
Thank you.
You sure?
Yes.
Marina, let's go cheers to the butterflies. We won't get them, will we?
No. Cheers to the driving.
Cheers. Wow, this one has, look.
I'm good.
Delicious. Thank you so much for that delicious drink. It was awesome. Awesome.
So,
Just the way it is. Nothing you can do about it.
if you wanna, oh,
Taxi Linda.
yeah. Do you want your shoes?
Linda's taking over.
Sure am.
All right, Captain Linda.
Captain Linda,
Buckle up, people. It's the law.
take us to Jaffnar, please.
Okay? Yeah.
No, it's not. Yeah.
That's a winch. Stay on the left side of the road, will you?
And with the speed limit,
70.
we won't go 60 maybe? Oops, not that one. That's it. This way. Is she crossing?
On here.
Oh yeah, that's right. How to stop that? Oh, police. Is that police?
Yeah.
Should I pull over? Oh, look, it's beautiful.
Keep your eyes on the road.
No, but I'm telling you, Marina, look.
I'm just kidding.
How gorgeous that is.